This episode is brought to you in part by California Inspection Authority, Southern California's premier property inspection experts.
Hey guys, it's David from Trail Adventures USA, and on today's episode, we start in Jonson Valley. We stay the night, then we help with the Jonson Valley cleanup the very next day, followed by about 80 to 120 or so miles, right? Off-road, all through the Joshua Tree, Brookman Mine, and now we're gonna finish through the Purdue Canyon Trail. We picked up some new friends we're gonna introduce to you in just a few minutes. I want you to sit back, relax, and enjoy a great episode. Won't believe this. We're here at Soggy Lakebed. We're doing the Jonson Valley cleanup. This is what we're finding everywhere. Look at this. Whenever there's a cleanup, make sure that you join in. Otherwise, we're going to lose our public lands because of stuff like this. People have got to be more responsible. You can see everyone out here is giving a hand. Trail Chasers is here. We're doing our part. Many people gave up their day to come out and lend a hand in cleaning up Jonson Valley. As you can see, we did our best, but in a short time, our small group was able to make a difference. Full bags of trash everywhere, boxes, buckets.
Hi, I'm Tim. This is my wife Monica, and this is our 2019 Jeep Rubicon.
And we've been out wheeling for 3 days. We did the Jonson Valley cleanup. We camped at the Brookman Mine, and now we're in Joshua Tree, and it's beautiful out here. We love hanging out with our friends and wheeling.
Outstanding, guys. What do you guys got to say about the scenery over here?
Breathtaking.
Unbelievable.
Yes.
Great stuff, right?
Love it. Yes.
Awesome.
It's amazing what we have in our backyard.
Hi, I'm Andrea.
I'm Bob. How you doing?
We just bought this 2008 Jeep Sahara, and we are out in Joshua Tree enjoying the trails and looking to do Purdue Canyon, but we are by ourselves, so we just stopped a nice group of Jeepers who have agreed to let us tag along and see what our vehicles can do.
Well, we're glad to have you guys.
Yeah, thanks so much.
All right, forward to the adventure.
So during this adventure, we found some sand dunes in the middle of nowhere. So enjoy this clip of us tearing up the dunes. If you've enjoyed today's episode, please leave a like and smash the subscribe button. Be sure to ring the bell icon so you won't miss future episodes. If you have a product or service that you feel could benefit from being featured, please contact us through Instagram at trailadventures_. And thanks again for watching. We'll see you on the next Trail Adventure.